What is this gonna do?
It's gonna make her jealous. You out on the town with a hot date.
How are you a hot date?
Whoa, you're angry at her, not me. No wonder you're alone.
Hey, Brian. I just noticed you over here. Hi, I'm Jillian.
Desiree, Charles. Well, I wish we could stay, but we have quite an exciting evening planned.
Yeah, right. We're really hitting the town.
Yes, we're gonna douche the night away.
Well, have fun. You two are a really cute couple.
Hey, Desiree.
Oh. Hey, Lee. Brian, this is Lee. Lee, this is Brian. I know Lee from Starbucks.
Hey, is that Desiree?